Hi there everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. There's a cut-off low just off the west coast of the country, and this system is bringing showers and thunderstorms to some areas over the western and northern Cape for the remainder of the day. Over the next couple of days, the Cape provinces will be clearing, but the wetter weather is going to spread into the central parts, including the Free State and the northwest. We could have some good falls of rain before the end of this week. Our satellite imagery shows that it was quite cloudy for some parts of the country to start off the day, including over much of KZN and parts of the Eastern Cape. It's a cooler afternoon for those areas. While in the west, we can see the cut-off low swirling off the coastline, and that system is pushing moisture down from Namibia into the northern Cape. There have already been a few showers over the province, and we're starting to see the wet weather spreading down towards the Western Cape as well. For the rest of today, that pattern remains in place, and the synoptic analysis clearly shows that wetter weather spreading down into the Western Cape, reaching the peninsula and some of the surrounding areas mainly into this evening. While the rest of the country will be partly cloudy, there'll be thunder showers over much of the interior, while towards the east coast, fairly cloudy conditions remain in place for today, along with the likelihood for a bit of light rain. Taking a look at the rainfall probability map, we see scattered thunder showers possible today for Uppington and the surrounding areas, just touching Kimberley, and we'll see similar conditions along the west coast and somewhat further inland, so there's a very high probability for rainfall in the area today. Those conditions spreading down towards the peninsula this evening, as we've already seen, and on the Highveld, just isolated thunderstorms for today, including Johannesburg and Pretoria. Towards KZN, mostly light rain along the coastline and slightly further inland, a bit of drizzle possible around Pietermaritzburg today. Winds this afternoon will be light for much of the country, but fresh winds in the forecast for both Port Elizabeth and Richards Bay, getting up to 35 kilometres per hour. Moving ahead to your temperatures, and we're expecting many parts of the interior to get into the low 30s for today. Johannesburg very warm at 29, cooler along the south coast, 21 degrees for George and Port Elizabeth, and we also see lower temperatures over KZN as the cloud cover keeps the things quite cool in the area. Cape Town over the next couple of days, and we're going to see a drop in temperature on Wednesday along with a couple of showers, and on Thursday there could be early morning light rain. That will clear out for the afternoon. Still quite cool at 23 degrees, but towards the weekend temperatures start climbing under clear sky conditions, and it's going to be a hot Saturday on Sunday. Beach weather in the forecast for the mother city. For the rest of South Africa tomorrow, we're going to see that wet weather all across the Free State and the northwest, scattered showers and thunderstorms across those areas. And on Thursday, the pattern doesn't change too much. Wet weather continuing on the Highveld. Johannesburg gets to 26 degrees, and more rainfall in the forecast for Durban and Richards Bay.